it's a feeling of comfort. Parle G has nothing to do with taste. It's comfort. It's nostalgia. It's घर का काम. You know, it's like oh home. हम सब साथ में मिलके sadness की बात कर रहे हैं, बिस्किट खाता होंगे. It's like जब कर्जे की बात हो रही है ना तो पार्ले जी आएगा ना.
बहुत मजा.
ओरियो लेके तो कर्जे की बात नहीं करेंगे ना हम लोग तो. I feel like.
I agree.
फिर नहीं हुआ इंजीनियरिंग.
हाँ,
दुख के साथ है वो.
It's very my mother going पार्ले जी saying that.
गाड़ी भी खरीद ली है. कौन लोन देगा? उसे पार्ले. वहाँ जिम जम खाएगा तो मिसमैच हो. सीन बात नहीं कर रहा.
सिर्फ पार्ले जी खा के भी लगा हमारी बच्ची 100 kg की है तो कैसे चलेगा?
दुख का साथी पार्ले जी.
दुख का साथी है पार्ले जी.
गम का साथी रम. दुख का
साथी पार्ले जी.
I've got one.
Heavy.
Why the fuck is Parle G so popular?
Oh, you've started it, bro. Who
We
said
started
this?
more, no?
Who said this?
Parle G, who said Parle
It's a
G?
great opinion. It's a great. Come. Parle G.
पार्ले जी.
He got excited. Parle G.
Yay. Oh, you're excited also.
All right.
वो पेंट्री वाला भी एक्साइट हो गया. पार्ले जी लाना है. चाय भी ले लो चाय.
What's your name, buddy?
It's Kushagra.
Oh, Kushagra. Just hold the mic a little closer to. Okay, perfect. Kushagra, tell us your opinion. Defend it.
Answer to her. Parle G is like the South Indian version of foods. It's
What do you
basic
like?
as fuck.
Oh, you like North Indian?
I like North Indian.
हाँ, okay. Now it's understood. हाँ.
There's chocolate chips. There is that Jim Jam. There is also वो orange cream वाला biscuit.
Why look at me like I'm Britannia?
But Parle G is like milk bikis is better. So basic as fuck.
What is milk bikis? Buddy, it's that biscuit with those creepy faces, right?
It has that 50 रुपए 150 रुपया देगा face also.
Yeah. It's got some very, very creepy faces. What do you?
I think Parle G with chai is a killer combo. And that's why that basic as fuck is actually a quality. You know, जैसे आलू है. आलू in itself basic as fuck बोल सकते हो. But भाई अगर आलू किसी के साथ आ रहा है तो गांड फाड़ देता है कि नहीं? So Parle G अगर चाय के साथ डाल दोगे ना भाई, because you can't put jam and all वो सब in चाय. है ना, क्या यही नाम है ना उसका? मैं नहीं खाता बिस्किट यार. Jim Jam. जिम जैम या whatever, ये गुड्डे डालेगा चाय में वो काजू निकल जाता है.
Parle G also falls off in the chai. No, it's not rich, strong enough.
है जो बीच में हल्का सा गिर जाता है ना बाद में.
I don't know. I just want to say I feel like he has come to fight with me because he went only very like let me tell you something. वो अपना joke लिख के आया था. He's like सुख मैं तुरको तेरे पकड़ता रुक. South Indian खाएगी तू रुक. इडली खाएगी बड़ी रुक मैं.
Also one last point before we
No, please
go to the
continue.
big fight because I can see वो कह रहा है तू लोग बोल ले मेरा ध्यान तो. तो मैं अपना एक चिंदी पॉइंट बोल के निकल जाता हूँ कि चिंदी पॉइंट ये है कि Parle G is running this country. Believe it or not, there are many people who actually have Parle G for meals.
Yeah.
You guys know this? And Parle G का रेट आज तक नहीं बढ़ा. You know this? It's still the cheapest बिस्किट इन द मार्केट. 5-5 रुपए का तब भी मिलता था, अभी मिलता है. सो बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो एक्चुअली Parle G ही खा के दैट्स देयर स्नैक, ब्रेकफास्ट एटसेट्रा.
Dogs.
नहीं.
Street dogs.
मोमेंट आई थॉट कि ये जाएगा यूट्यूब पे भाई ने.
You gave a heavy moment and then I went dogs. No dogs.
एवरीबॉडी ऑडियंस वाला यार.
कुत्ता बोला ना तू कुत्ता बोला.
It feeds people as well as dogs. It's
Oh, you're taking a stand.
Biscuit.
I'm so sorry.
I'm supporting you guys.
No, you're supporting dogs.
It's a
but that's fair,
versatile
yeah.
biscuit. You can feed dogs also with. I mean, you generally
It's
don't.
versatile.
I
What the
know,
fuck is
but
wrong
it
with
is
this?
unhealthy for
Taking
dogs
only
as well.
human side. Are you stupid?
It is unhealthy for dogs as well.
It's available for dogs.
But unhealthy for dogs. And
हाँ.
अगर
He's fighting
अब मैं
each
आता हूँ तेरे पे.
person individually. Yeah.
क्या बोल रहा था गांडू बेसिक क्या? हाँ सर.
I like it.
continuation from your line. अगर Parle G से पेट भर रहा है तो बंद करो बेंचो. ढंग का खाना तो खाए लोग. Why are people eating Parle G?
Because they can afford only.
Gautam Gambhir gives 1 rupees थाली.
Who gives 1 rupee थाली? Gautam Gambhir.
Yes.
So यहाँ मैं कैसे खाऊँ
Come
गौतम
to
गंभीर?
Delhi.
गौतम गंभीर is giving me इसके लिए शादरा जाऊँ मैं खार से.
KV, just take it. I'm very excited. It's like porn. It's like 3 boys fighting. I'm like,
Gautam Gambhir is giving 1 rupee thali, dear. That's your solution for India's poverty.
Parle G solution.
Brother, then why full India doesn't move to Gautam Gambhir constituency? Shadra, Patparganj, मैं पूरी जमुना बार बता सकता हूँ भाई अपना बचपन में. But tell me no, then full India should go and eat there only. No?
There are multiple options. 10 रुपए
As
की
in?
थाली, 15 रुपए की थाली, बहुत जगह मिलती है. I have been poor.
भाई राज बब्बर का एक
hey,
कॉमेडी.
come on.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let's not go there.
So you said you didn't have enough money. When you didn't have enough money, what was your main source of sustenance?
Mess का खाना.
Mess ka khana. Okay.
When I was
Which
in
college? Like,
college,
what did you study? Like, what did?
I did MBA Trichy से.
BIM.
Nice.
Why be?
Trichy boy.
I know.
I feel
बाद में पता
like
लगा हम दोनों तो दोस्त थे यहाँ पे आके कंटेंट दे रहे थे लोगों को. और भाई कहता है शायद.
I genuinely feel after this, both of y'all will be in the pantry. So we are
Being judged by our friend. Declare कर देते ना सालों.
Only if Terry does not watch.
Okay, and then Palaji at that time you didn't feel like having Palaji. You just completely were, even if you were really hungry, you're like नहीं मैं नहीं खाने वाला Palaji.
Probably yes.
Okay, wow, he's got a very firm anti-Palaji opinion, yeah. If not Palaji, which biscuit should people have?
See,
Anything that has some flavor to it, like something.
I feel like
भुजिया खा लो भाई. Why Parle G?
these food
भुजिया कैसे चाय में डाल के खाऊंगा यार. कुछ आग रहे यार तुम बेसिक मेरा यूजर केस नहीं समझ रहा यार. चाय में डाल के खाना है यार. मैं नहीं डाल सकता हूँ जैम भाई वो नहीं उसमें बीच में ऐसा गोल वो ही वाला है ना जिम जैम. बीच में वो तो चाय में डालेगा मीठा अजीब हो जाता है. पार्ले जी में भाई कोई फ्लेवर ही नहीं है. उनको डाल के लपेट लो तुम.
Cardboard.
हाँ
cardboard. No, it's not
कार्डबोर्ड खा नहीं
cardboard.
सकते ना
Hey,
यार.
don't,
worry.
no, I'm going to disagree hard. I've agreed with everyone who's come, but Palaji is the best biscuit out there.
Yeah.
That girl herself is like, wow.
तूने MBA किया फिर भी तुझे पार्ले जी नहीं पसंद.
Yeah.
भाई
My
तूने भी इसके साथ
biscuit
किया
is
है.
Like it's good for marketing. It's
Yeah.
good for business. It's like just that. But as a
चाय के साथ
consumer,
खाना है.
I don't.
एक चाय के साथ ट्राई किया तो फिर भी
ट्राई
मजा
किया
नहीं
तुझे
आया.
पसंद नहीं आया. Like I feel like cardboard ही जा रहा है. तुम्हारी biscuit is cardboard. Parle-G is not. Parle-G is just like sugar and then some maida and then chai, which is nice. Which is what usually we all have in Diwali. That's what it is. See, I feel like okay. I think you don't have a problem with the Parle-G biscuit. Is it a memory? Like, is it like someone threw Parle-G at you as a kid? You know, like that.
इससे धोनी ने वर्ल्ड कप जिताया. गौतम गंभीर ने पार्ले जी मारा. साले 1 रुपए की थाली दे रहा हूँ खा चुपचाप.
See, because also Parle-G is one of those things where you just it's in your bag and you're like I'm safe. You know, any minute if I'm hungry, I don't have to buy something that's going to cause me acidity. Even Parle-G causes acidity though, but at least Parle-G causes acidity that I'm used to now. You know, that's what it is, right?
It's comfort ना यार.
It's an
अब देखे
emotion.
मैं तेरा वो फ्लेवर
You've got your marketing hat on now, I guess.
या
Yeah.
तो मैं वो कंफर्ट वाला इनको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. कंफर्ट चाय वाला जो मैं पॉइंट दे रहा था. देख जैसे प्लेन राइस है.
Nice.
प्लेन राइस कोई फ्लेवर नहीं है उसमें सच. अब अगर तुझे दाल के साथ खाना है तो तेरे पास है प्लेन राइस, तेरे पास है बिरयानी, पुलाव, फ्राइड राइस, जाफरानी राइस. तू दाल के साथ कौन सा चावल डालेगा? प्लेन राइस ओनली नो.
Don't go anti-establishment. Don't go
बिकॉज इट हैज नो.
anti-establishment.
अब तू पॉइंट प्रूव करने के
Yeah,
लिए मैं
point
बोल दे कि मैं
prove
लैम बिरयानी में दाल खाऊंगा. ये बट यू यूज
But मुझे दाल खानी नहीं ना साथ में.
अरे यार.
बिस्किट की बात कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं मैं एनालॉजी ड्रॉ कर.
He is anti-biscuit only.
Yeah,
No,
I
I got your point.
Anti-biscuit only.
आई गॉट योर पॉइंट कि तेरा पॉइंट ये है कि बिस्किट में फ्लेवर होना चाहिए है ना. यही पॉइंट है कि बिस्किट मतलब फ्लेवर. ये प्लेन क्यों खिला रहे हो? बट इसलिए मैं बोल rहा हूँ प्लेन मत खा, चाय के साथ खा.
Yeah, also Parle-G is. What is the problem with Parle-G? Like Parle-G has butter, sugar, maida, everything. It's cooked, baked, it's cheap. You know, it's perfect like that. Like it's not threat. Okay, I'll tell you who Parle-G is. Parle-G is that friend in the group who you can make fun of. If that friend goes away, then someone else becomes the weakest link.
Yeah.
So you need Parle-G all the time.
फिर लोग जिम जैम को गालियां सुनाते हैं.
हाँ, और
ये
Jim
क्या
Jam can't
है?
take it. Jim Jam will be like, oh my god, no. Yeah, you know?
जिम जैम एक प्रिविलेज किड. तो समझ
Yeah.
रहे? मुझे तो बचपन से लोगों ने प्यार किया था. ये स्ट्रगल क्यों हो रहा है?
Yeah.
पार्ले जी हम जैसा आदमी है भाई. वो सड़कों पे पैदा हुआ था वहीं पे रह रहा है.
Exactly.
वो वैसा है कि भाई अपन एक दिन 4 बनेंगे.
Also, you know, all of these rich rich, like I've seen a bunch of South Bombay people in their cars going. They don't. वो अगर when the beggar comes in, वो उनको भीख नहीं देते, वो पार्ले जी देते हैं. And they're like, we believe in giving them पार्ले जी. I'm like, what the fuck are you believing in? What is the matter? तो उनकी privilege को भी मुनाफा मिल जाता है, and the people are also like, हमें पार्ले जी मिल गया. So पार्ले जी is also crossing bridges in terms of economic boundaries. You're just specifically thinking मेरे चाय टाइम में पार्ले जी क्यों आया, right? नहीं तो तू क्यों, तुझे पार्ले जी इतना नापसंद क्यों है?
I never said मुझे ना पसंद है.
Oh.
I am just saying इतना famous क्यों है भाई वो?
अरे
चाय.
Okay.
सस्ता और चाय.
Yeah.
अभी ओल्ड मंक क्यों फेमस है?
Old Monk
है
is
ना?
basically
उसमें एक बात है ना.
Correct.
एक
You
है
clean-
उसमें बेसिक है वो.
You clean
है
toilets
ना?
using Old Monk and you drink.
अब मैं आके बोलूँ कि ग्लेनफिडिक पिएगा ना भाई, दारू तो एज होनी चाहिए 12 साल, स्कॉटलैंड के वैली से आनी चाहिए. तो बोलेगा नहीं भाई मुझे तो ओल्ड मंक में बड़ा मजा है, कोक डाल और पी ले.
It's a feeling of comfort. Parle G has nothing to do with taste. It's comfort. It's nostalgia. It's घर का काम. It's like home. हम सब साथ में मिलके sadness की बात कर रहे हैं, बिस्किट खा रहे like जब कर्जे की बात हो रही है ना तो पार्ले जी आएगा ना.
बहुत मजा.
ओरियो लेके तो कर्जे की बात नहीं करेंगे ना हम लोग तो. I feel like
I agree.
फिर नहीं हुआ इंजीनियरिंग.
हाँ,
दुख के साथ है वो.
it's very
घर वाले.
going पार्ले जी
पापा
saying
गाड़ी
that.
भी खरीद ली है,
हाँ.
कौन लोन देगा, उसे पार्ले. वहाँ जिम जम खाएगा तो मिसमैच हो, सीन बात नहीं कर रहा.
सिर्फ पार्ले जी खा के you will be like अब हमारी बच्ची 100 kg की है तो कैसे चलेगा?
दुख का साथी पार्ले.
दुख का साथी है पार्ले जी.
गम का साथी रम. दुख का
दुख का साथी
साथी
पार्ले जी.
So can you round of applause for Kushagra, everybody? Thank you so much, Kushagra.
पार्ले जी यही का है ना, विले पार्ले के नाम पे.
Also when I have KV in the team, why the fuck am I defending Parle Ji? He's
Yeah,
got
yeah.
it, dude.
I kept quiet. He
Yeah,
was
yeah,
going
yeah.
full like
गरीबी का साथी है यार वो.
Yeah, he
मैं
came
भी
in,
अभी
he's
नहीं
like,
खाता
वो
पहले.
सुमुखी वहाँ बैठे हैं, उसको बताता हूँ. Parle Ji पता है साउथ इंडियन फूड है और हम सबको समझ नहीं आया क्या बोल रहा है वो.
G माने जीनियस नहीं, G माने गरीबी.
Just Parle,
Parle गरीब.
पक्का साथी, it's Parle Gum. Mine doesn't make any sense. Mine is saying it will work only if you are in multiple. Oh, okay. Relationships will work only if you are in multiple relationships. Who is this Salman Khan from Jab Pyar Kisi Se Hota Hai? Huh? Who is this sir? Sir. Here your woman is fighting for North Indian and you are opening multi-cuisine restaurants, sir.
रेस्टोरेंट तो वही है जिसमें कम से कम 15 cuisine मिलते हो.
It's like, अरे मजे तो आएंगे जब Chinese हो, North Indian हो, South Indian भी आ जाए.
People dating in the same office should let everyone in on the secret and not keep everyone in suspense.
Suspense मतलब?
ये कोई वो है जिसके बगल में कोई है जो इसको पसंद है.
Yeah.
ये like बता देना सीन क्या है तेरा.
मुझे पसंद था राकेश. फिर हमने तुझे पकड़ लिया जेरोक्स रूम में. अपना जेरोक्स नहीं ले रहे थे. Yeah, this seems very personal. Who did
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
This one? You.
Alright.
भाई क्या हुआ
Okay,
तेरे साथ?
okay.
जल्दी बताओ मेरे को. Come, office romance, come.
Come up on stage, buddy. Come up on stage.
Okay,
What's your name?
okay.
And we'll talk to you about open relationship also. Fuck it.
Yeah.
There is.
सारे निपटा दो.
Okay, can we have a round of applause for Terrell, everybody? Terrell. All right.
Terrell.
Tell us your opinion and tell us what you think. Like, why defend it.
Okay, so if you're dating in the office,
Huh.
I think, you have to declare it to the HR, so
Yeah.
why not declare it to everyone in the office?
Oh.
Why do you want it to be like, chit chat during water cooler, chit chat and all of that?
Cheryl, why don't you tell me? As a girl, I always want to declare, but the boys are like, it's too soon. You tell me, Cheryl. No, actually.
So when's the right time then?
You tell me. For me is the moment I'll make eye contact. No, that's not true. But this office romance, I'm guessing it's. You start actually.
Many years in office I've spent.
Yeah,
brother.
exactly. Let's start with him.
But I just again like the last case. थोड़ा सा 1 minute थोड़ा बताओ ना क्या? Where is it coming
Yeah,
from?
there has to be a
What's your
specific
scene?
case
थोड़ा.
or someone.
What's
Okay,
your
so-
relationship status if you can share? Like आपका क्या?
I'm dating, but not
You're
someone
dating.
from the office.
Okay.
Okay.
But like in my office, I've
Huh.
seen like there are now 3 or 4 couples.
Huh.
Some of them are like very open that we're dating and whatnot.
Nice, cute.
Others are like secret. They'll meet in the pantry. They'll meet in like the parking lot and whatnot. So it's like
Are you following them around?
I was coming to that only. I think Terrell वो कॉलोनी में जो एक आंटी होती है ना पूरे दिन बालकनी में देखती रहती शर्मा जी का बेटा फिर उसके साथ घूम रहा है ये रोका क्यों नहीं करा लेते सबको बताओ ना कि चल रहा है तुम्हारा कल ही तो पार्किंग लॉट में देखा था
So,
Like that.
why do you think they're not declaring?
I mean, they don't want everyone to know. But then, like, don't do it. Like, if you're keeping it secret, then keep it out of office, nah. Like, why?
What are
like,
they
hiding
doing in the pantry, bro?
I seriously want to know what is happening in the pantry. You know?
How big is this pantry?
Excuse me, chai loge? Whoop 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 whoop.
Yuck, Sahil!
Sahil, you wrote no that poop twice a week.
That was a tea bag. I'm not pooping in the chai, guys. Tea bag, tea bag.
Oh.
I've never worked in an office, by the way.
Yeah, clearly. See, okay, I'll tell you, the office that I worked in, there was this one couple that was like clearly going for it, okay? And actually, my problem is when both of them think that no one knows. When this
Yeah.
couple behaves like, nahi, hum to fuck kar hi nahi rahe. Okay, then suddenly Raksha Bandhan, both of them have not come. You know?
ये मुझे ड्रॉप कर देगा ना
Yeah,
ये मला
actually,
ड्रॉप
yeah.
कर
So,
देगा
in fact, one of them.
अबे ये तो चेंबूर में रहता है बे
Because once, and I remember the boy was like, मैं पहले office join किया था. Then he was like, bro, I'll drop you till the bus stop or something. And that day only I figured out because that girl was, because I was leaving and then she's like, bye. I said bye. And both of us went down and we went towards the car together. And then she was like, oh, I think I dropped my hair clip here. Okay. And there was no hair clip. Okay. And then she took a U-turn and she fucked off, dude. Okay, and I was standing there in the car and then that dude came and he dropped me to the bus stop and that's it. Nothing. That fucker was like, bus stop mein nikal tu. Bas ho gaya. Okay. So then next day, she was just super mean to me. Because like, that was my first day. Second day, she was like, hi. And she fucked off and all. So I think my problem with office romances is that you don't want to declare cool, but don't think we're dumb. We're getting that there's sexual
Yeah.
vibes.
Yeah.
So yours are clearly doing it in the pantry.
No, because to be honest, our pantry is like really small. There's just 2 tables. So like I can hear on every
Daryl
single
has
one.
spent a long time standing at his pantry and being like कैसा है
दो टेबल पे फिट होगा
No, so I'll give you an example. So like this couple, they're sitting across each other and they're like, you know, touching legs and it's that. No, that's so awkward, bro. Like, dude, when I'm out of here, why are you doing in front of
But
me?
it's not like they're touching legs near your face or something. Now that would be awkward, right? Like if the girl is like, "Hi, how are you?" That I would be like, "Yo, fuck, get out of my space."
kind regards warm regards
I'll get back to you EOD.
let's sleep over it and circle back tomorrow
CC manager. Sorry.
I think hookup used to be a word for meetings, right?
Correct,
Like
yeah.
let's hook up in the next like.
What, really? Not in the...
Am I the only person who's ever used?
I
Like,
think this is a media industry because in the food certification and the banking and the other department, we are not using hookup. They are very like, dear, let's meet
Yes.
next meeting at 12 p.m. sharp and all.
Wait, no one ever
Send
used
meeting invite.
hookup. Let's
I
hook
feel
up
like
next-
it's a Mumbai media thing.
Maybe.
Okay,
You know, you guys
maybe.
are just so free with your corporate
very
culture.
open relationship type
Yeah, you guys are like hook up karte hain. What is this? Oh God. हमारे
हाँ, लोग बड़े अलग मोड में जा रहे हैं कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में गाइस
open relationship.
Full orgy going on and Terrell is like, मुझे नहीं बुलाया है. I should have seen this coming.
डैरिल साइड में बैठ के बोल रहा है मिनट्स क्या लिखूं मैं गिव इट टू
कह दूं तुम्हें. Okay, wait. I also think they're not declaring is because what if breakup happens and then it's going to be bad blood. No.
But that's worse because then I can like you are avoiding each other, you know,
Yeah.
on purpose, and then everyone's wondering why are these people avoiding each other. Like if I know that you're
Right.
dating and you've broken up, okay, we know, and we'll try to like avoid bringing you two together or something like that.
Oh my God. Yeah, so that's why they're not declaring so that you know no one really
See,
needs to.
It's fun for the people, the 2 people involved,
Yeah.
but for everyone else, it's just awkward.
Awkward.
Like,
So your thing is that everybody knows, you know, but it's like that Rachel, that Monica Chandler. They know that you know that they know.
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't
Haven't
watched
seen
Friends.
Friends.
Okay.
और Jim
Maybe
को टाइम कहाँ मिल रहा है फ्रेंड्स देखने का और दिन भर लोगों के पैर देख रहा है बैठ
अपने
के
friends को देख रहा है वो corporate में.
हाँ और लोग आके बोल रहे हैं जोई डजंट शेयर फूड चुप रहे भाई पैर देख साले बता दे क्यों नहीं
They
है
are
तुमको
sharing footwear.
Pantry में think they're sharing more than food over here.
ऑफिस में उन्होंने ऑफिस में ये सब कर रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ हाँ
in the pantry.
Which office do you work in? Just out of curiosity. What's
Daddy
your
can't
industry?
say.
I'd rather not
वो
reveal.
तो नहीं बोल
Industry at least. Industry.
Media only.
Of course.
Yeah.
लेट्स हुक अप एट 1 PM वाला इंडस्ट्री. But no, what Sumaki is saying makes complete sense to me because office में it's relationship plus a lot of other interpersonal relationship ना कि तू HR की हेड है तो मेरा छुट्टी अप्रूव हो गया या उसकी बॉस है तो अप्रूवल आ रहा है फिर ब्रेकअप हो गया तो फिर बहुत awkward नहीं हो जाएगा
Exactly,
Like,
yeah.
यार इतना अप्रूवल ही नहीं आता यार
What-
एक हफ्ते से बैठे फिर वो
again-
रिप्लाई में उसका स्कार्फ भेज रहा है
हाँ,
कि हाँ, ये जो छोड़ के
I'll
गई थी
give you
ना
once again a reference that I'm sure you don't know. Okay, Life in a Metro you've seen? Of course you haven't. What have you seen? Huh? Christopher Nolan's Inception you saw? That's why you're going through this.
That I've seen.
that you see
See, okay, in Life in a Metro, KK and Kangna Ranaut had an affair, and Sharman Joshi was very interested in Kangna. And then one day, KK just sent her phone by, through the Pune. And then after that, Sharman Joshi found out that Kangna and KK are in a relationship. And then the song Rishte To Nahi started. So to avoid this kind of conflict, maybe that's why they're not sharing. Ki, like,
थोड़ा awkward हो जाएगा यार ब्रेकअप के बाद
Okay,
But like to be fair, I work with like people who are like my age, who
Okay.
are like 23, 25. So like it's
Oh.
okay. No one's really like judging you or shaming.
Are
You're
you
like
kidding?
uncle.
You are judging everyone for dating. You're the judge.
jury and executioner my lord
Full सीमा तो पर
you are not giving space anyone
You must adjust. You must.
First of all, this 20 to 25 is judging. You will 100% judge her. If they come and say that, okay, we're fucking now, and then they're like, we're not fucking anyone, you'll be like, of course. I always knew you guys were not compatible. तो लेकिन फिर वो gossip हो जाती है ना, एटलीस्ट वो अपने टेबल के नीचे फुटसी खेल रहे हैं. ऊपर खेलेंगे तो तू छोड़ेगा नहीं. You're like सबके सामने कर लो ना फिर. Then what if that becomes the problem? I feel like no, I don't agree with the 20 to 25 is not judging.
Fully
Who's
judging.
23 to 25 here? Give me a chair.
Yeah, guys.
are you not judging
You're non-judgy or what? You're how old are you?
judge
You're 24. She's really scaring me.
at 24 पे she's saying North Indian food is
Yeah.
healthy
At 24, she's like, nothing is healthy.
she's not judging
She's not judging. Huh? You justify first your age
No,
group
but
also.
see, to be honest, there are couples in my office, who are dating, and people know for sure, like
Got
they're
it.
dating, and like they go home together. That's cool. But like
Oh.
people, who are like just about to start dating or have like just begun, and they're hiding it from everyone. They're not
Yeah,
yet
maybe you want to
official.
keep it hot, dude.
But why? Like,
Why does one want to keep it hot?
why keep it hot? Like from us?
Right?
Okay, I'm very curious. It's like you want to know the gossip. You
No, I
want to
don't
know. 'Cause
I don't want it to be gossip. Just
Buddy,
like,
you literally said why are they hiding? Why are they hiding it from us? कौन है ये जिसने मून के टेरर को नहीं देखा?
Okay, so if they declare it to you, what do you think will happen?
I mean, then it won't be such an open secret. Then there's no gossip, near the water cooler or like when you're.
तो तू
eating.
क्या करेगा ऑफिस में डेरिल
अरे यार काम की
तुझे
बात
काम
है।
करना पड़ेगा डेरिल imagine that day डेरिल will realize कि this is my job description oh who is this fucker Nikesh keep sending me oh he is my boss oh fuck
This water cooler has come up 3 times by now. What is happening near this water cooler?
It's in the pantry.
No, that I understand.
I feel your office is a pantry. Like there is nothing around after that.
Oh wow, okay. No, yeah, I don't think. I think like I think they want to keep it hot. Like they're like, oh my
maybe.
god, हम लोग छुप छुप के fuck कर रहे हैं. It's fine. It's kind of hot only. No, you're not okay with that. When you started dating, since you said you were in a relation, you are in a relationship. Did you just go like मैं प्यार करता हूँ, तू प्यार करती है. Let's just do it.
I mean, we didn't really like have to hide it from. I mean, we met on a dating app, so like
Okay.
we didn't have to.
You were okay. No, cute. That's
So
fine.
excited, you
So
know.
she's from another industry.
Yeah, I can say.
Okay, cool. So then okay. I just want to make a judgment, and please don't mind me.
Yeah,
I'm not
go ahead,
23,
go
That is there. I feel like it's also. Do you think you don't think that it was hot for you in the beginning, and these guys are getting the hot, and that's why you're slightly projecting?
No, I don't think it's that. Why? I think my first rule is never
Do you
date.
want me to gift you a water cooler? Is that your role play is water cooler?
in the same group if you start dating अगर तू अलग अलग है तो ठीक है but if you are same like ऐसा comic का group हो गया office हो गया तो ब्रेकअप के बाद awkward हो जाएगा you'll only make it public when you're very sure
Yeah.
कि भाई यही है अब
Yeah.
यही है we are exclusive as आजकल बोलते हैं
हाँ.
तो
Fair, but I don't like gossiping around.
Eh!
that's so true
Thank God, because she was like, ये तो break तो होने वाला है इसके बाद में.
Because no. See, especially people are like, मैं gossip नहीं करता या करती, वो तो पक्का ही कर रहे हैं. और gossip का बहुत बुरा नाम देके रखा है. Okay, gossip की वजह से ही World War II शुरू होता. तो मैं कह रही हूँ कि gossip is fine, but I don't think you should go around saying. Actually, I think your problem should be that you are saying that you don't believe in gossip because it's gossip only, dude. You like gossip.
What you-
Accept it.
Yeah, I think yeah.
Be in an open relationship with gossip. That's what I'm saying.
तू
Okay.
इतना टाइम पैंट्री में रहता है, तेरे ऑफिस वालों को लग रहा है कि तू पैंट्री में ही काम करता है. Go back and Sixth Sense की तरह ना watch it again. The whole movie will be very different.
What if that hot couple has saved your number? Terrell pantry guy. Said, you know.
Now you'll go to your inbox and you'll realize आधे लोग तुझे green tea क्यों भेज रहे हैं? Because तो तुझे सुबह देखते ही बोलते आ गया. You want coffee without sugar? Green. Terrell. अरे Terrell दिखता था.
So I
तो
feel
ये
like-
क्या कोड है यार?
I'm guessing. What is your sun? I'm going through a very different tangent. What is your sun sign, Terrell?
Scorpio.
Okay,
Hey,
got
hey.
it. The argument is over, guys. No.
कहीं बर्थडे आने वाला होगा.
हाँ. I was wondering if you're the personality that wants everyone to get together and like.
Yeah, I think
like
generally,
yeah.
yeah.
You want everyone to get along.
I don't like being awkward around people. Like,
I
there's so
feel
much
like
pressure.
Terrell, we've come to the crux of the matter. That you are like, I don't like confrontation. From my side and from other side. Is that
Yeah,
what it
fair.
is?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
maybe?
great.
Okay,
That's
cool.
it.
It'll be
Okay.
10,000 for the therapy session. You can meet us near the water cooler. We'll be there with some green
Not
tea.
me, Terrell. I'm so sorry.
All right, cool. Thank you so
Man,
much,
thank you so
Terrell.
much, man.
Thank you so
That's
much
so
for giving
cool.
an opinion. Round of applause for Terrell, everybody.
Hi there. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, but most importantly, leave a positive comment for the algo. And more importantly, subscribe for my ego.